Alright guys, our GoPro aluminum case arrived already. Took me 3 weeks to wait for this one. Came from China and the brand is C.E.Z.I. So you have to assemble it. This part is where you can mount your mic, or if you have some lights that you need to add on, you can use this part as well. You just screw it on, and this part is for your mount for GoPro accessories. There you go. I use this one basically. Hey Zach, what's up? Alright, so let's talk about this aluminum case. It's pretty good. It has a back cover, and there you go. To hold it, there's no other clip but just this ball notch over here that you can push it on and they will latch. It holds onto this little notch right here on the back of the cover. Hey buddy, take it easy over there. Alright, so now this one comes with a cover. Pretty good. Good for additional protection. And it comes with a UV filter, 52 mm. You can change your filters if you go diving. You can get your diving lens and you can just replace this one, or you can add it on top. And yes, because they have some, you can screw it on. And yeah, let's fit that GoPro over there. Push the ball and it will click. There you go. You have to tighten this one just to hold the camera so it won't shake. Don't push it too hard because it will break your GoPro. So it's not gonna shake anymore. And there you go. What else comes with it? Comes with a pouch. Pretty thick pouch. And of course, I'm keeping the English part of the instructions. You don't need it anymore. It's just self-explanatory. All right, and Clark wants to join as well. That's the little guy over there. Hey, hi, hi. Okay, bud. Take it easy. All right. Okay guys, thanks for watching.